Hello everyone, and welcome to Saunders Crafting Corner. Today's video is part of the Crafting from My Easter Basket Challenge hosted by Kiki from Kiki DIYs, and her co-host this month is Jamie from Simple Roots Living. I'll have the link to their channels below as well as the playlist for this challenge. The items you'll need for this DIY will be listed below in the description box as well. Now on to the DIY. First thing you're going to need is 2 quart-sized jars as well as some primer or this primer and paint combo. You're going to spray paint these and let them dry. I covered the tops of the lids as well. After that is finished, you're going to want to paint one of them with the yellow color and one of them white. I took just any old yellow color and mixed it with this white Adirondack chalk paint. If you already have a pale yellow color, you won't need the white paint. After that's all mixed together, you're going to take one of the jars and paint the whole thing all the way around, including the top of the lid. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to take the other jar and paint it with the white chalk paint. Paint the whole jar plus the very top of the lid. Next, I used my Cricut for these designs, but you can print these out from anywhere. These are the eyes and the eyebrows. These are the white parts of the eyes. And then I have a little pink heart for the rabbit's nose and little orange triangles for the beak of the chick. Now I'm just simply going to put these eyes together. If you do not have a Cricut machine, you can print these out and use simple shapes to make the eyes. It's just a bunch of circles. Here are the rabbit's eyes all put together. I'm simply just going to attach them to the jar. If you're not going to use sticky back vinyl, I suggest you use FabriTac to add these to your project. Now I'll be adding the heart as the nose. Please excuse my transfer tape. It has been used quite a few times. I'm going to repeat the same steps for the eyes of the chick. for the beak, I simply cut that little piece of excess off and then just stuck just the very tip of the back end of the beak onto the jar. You will want to bend it just slightly. I also took the smaller triangle and put it on the bottom of this beak so the sticky back would not be sticky anymore. And now on to the feet. I did cut this out of vinyl, but I did not take the backing off so that way it would not be sticky on the bottom. I didn't realize I was hiding this part, but all I did was just put a bunch of hot glue right in the center. And now on to the bunny's feet. I simply cut this out of cardstock and then just added the lines myself. Add the glue, then add the jar. Simple as that. For the bunny's ears, I simply printed these out and then I'm going to glue them on the back of the rim of the jar. Using a black Sharpie paint pen, I will add the mouth underneath the nose of the rabbit. To hide the rim of the jar, I'm going to take this baby's breath and some cabbage roses from Walmart, and I'm going to make a flower crown around the bunny and the chick. I'm simply going to take my wire cutters and cut the flowers right underneath where the stem meets the bud. To make the flowers as flat as possible, you're going to want to remove this green part on the back. Just don't let go of the flower because all the petals will fall off. Then you're going to simply glue it right there and add it to the rim of the jar. Keep doing this step for both the rabbit and the chick all the way around and fill in the empty spots with the baby's breath, and then the project is finished. I simply adore these jars. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions on how to make these yourself, please let me know that as well. I'll be glad to help. Don't forget to check out Kiki and Jamie's channels as well as the playlist for this challenge to see what other creators have come up with. If you're new here, Please subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. If you're not new here, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed. Would you please like, comment, and share my channel? Thank you, and take care.